Hello everyone, welcome you all in today's my class. In today's class, we proceed our economics chapter 1 development with next topic, and next topic is introduction of development. In the previous video, we studied the important terms of this chapter. I hope you all understood very well. So let's start today's video with introduction of development. So, first I will tell you, in this chapter we all study the basic concept of development, like what development is. Is it the same for anyone, everyone? How do we compare development? How to measure it? What does sustainable development mean? And many other things. So, let's start. First, what is meaning of development or introduction? So the idea of development is always present in our minds. We have our own desire for what we like to do and how we want to live. Development goals or desires of a particular idea may vary from person to person. Beside our personal development, we must also think about the country's development. Development can be defined as the people's economic growth along with the growth of their basic needs such as education, health, lifestyle, and more. The main purpose of development or progress is to find different ways to achieve what you have thought. Sometimes development for one person may not be development for another person. It may also cause destruction for the other. For example, to generate more electricity, a dam is constructed over a river where nearby landmass is considered for construction, resulting in the development of society and country. But it causes destruction for farmers and lives of people living nearby. So, in sense, different nations of development meaning is different. Different people have different nations of development because life situations of persons are different and therefore their aspirations and desires and goals. Development is a far reaching term with incorporates the desire of individual to improve their way of life, aggregate development of the nation by increment in gen- genuine per capita pay, decrease in destitution, lack of education, crime percentage, and so forth. It is a complex task with involved think about this desire and about searching ways to achieve these goals. Also, our present is influenced by our past. Hence, it is through awareness of democratic political process we can achieve our hope and possibilities in real life. So, in sense, short terms, meaning of development is a comprehensive term which include increase in real per capita income, improvement in living standard of people, reduction in poverty, illiteracy, crime rate, etc. अगर मैं सिंपल और सरल शब्दों में डेवलपमेंट का अर्थ बताऊं तो विकास, जिसे हम इंग्लिश में डेवलपमेंट कहते हैं, का अर्थ है स्वास्थ्य, शिक्षा, शांति आदि जैसे नॉन इकोनॉमिक गोल में इम्प्रूवमेंट के साथ साथ इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ भी जब होती है तो उसे हम डेवलपमेंट कहते हैं. सो की पॉइंट रिमेंबर all of you is development is generally defined as growth. Some of the important goals are seeking more income, equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect from others. So, I hope you have understood the content of today. We will study the next topic of this chapter in our next class. Thank you for watching.